Now I'm going to just connect the microphone and I'm going to show you the difference. Now this is me talking through the microphone. Alright, so guys, so today I have a review for you about something, and I'm just going to do a review for you. It's not sponsored. I just buy it for myself and I buy it for you guys so that the content can be clear and crisp. So basically I bought the UHF wireless microphone system. I bought it for $39.99, and this on Amazon had a lot of reviews, positive reviews. So I'm just going to check it out for myself and tell you my honest opinion. So I got it today. And I'm going to put it right before you. See? Box, everything. I don't know why Amazon always pack a small box, a small package in a big box. I guess it's just to keep it safe. So in the box, got this to secure it. Yeah. So this is what it looks like from the box. This is the wireless headset, and I'm going to put all the links in the description in the box down below so you guys can go on over and check it out if you like it. It is wireless, obviously, UHF. I honestly don't know what that means. It's mobile compatible. You can work with your mobile, your camera, and your computer. Alright, so this have a maximum of 29 feet barrier, free of transmission. It have amplifier, speaker, mixer, etc. and everything comes in the box. So this is what's in the box. I got an Amazon gift card to activate the warranty, the manual, and look at this, guys. This is the thing, to the wind guard. Got that in there. It feels so good. I feel so professional. Look at this. 1 2 1 2. It's, yeah. So this come in there. So let me see if I have the proper name, because I don't know the names, and I would like to properly see what they are. So in this we have the transmitter, which is this. It's so small and tiny and cute. It feels stable, it feels strong, and I love the color. It have a little blue rim around it. It's gray, dark gray, and as I said, it feels strong. Then the receiver is right here. This is what goes on top of the camera. Still sturdy, pretty strong. I like it so far. Then we'll have the tripod. Nice. I actually bought this one because of the tripod. I don't know, I always try to look for value, you know. So this, the transmission can go up here and my phone go right here, and yeah, so like that. I have the stand mic, so possibly I just do like this and be like, so what's up, blah blah blah, yeah. So that's for that. And guys, if you look closely, this have a screw on it. So when you plug it in, you secure it by screwing it on and can't come out. So I remember I bought a mic the other day and it wasn't properly in, and I was recording all the way, and there was no audio. So this will prevent that. Okay, and you have the headset microphone, which is this one, the first one that I took out. Yeah, like that. You have lavalier microphone, which is this one. I think that's what it's named, lavalier. I don't know what they pronounce. So this is the one that you clip on your clothes. So here it is. And then you have all these connection cables. So this one is for the camera, this one is for the phone, this is the USB, this is for the on top of to hold this on top of the camera, and I have the camera mount thing to screw on the camera on top, and this thing is an adapter. So I got all this in the package for practically just $40. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna set it up and I'm gonna tell you the difference, and I'm pretty much so excited for this. You won't even understand, and I'm gonna do a video right after this, so you guys need to check that out. It's a J1 video obviously, but I like how small this is. I can literally pin it right here. You see, it's so small. You wouldn't even notice. Cover it up, so small, nobody would notice. I like it. Sturdy. If it falls, I don't think, yeah, nothing will do it. And it's rechargeable, guys. So let's turn it on. But I think we need to charge it first. So yeah, there you go. It's on. It's digital, so that's good. So guys, I'm just gonna set this up and come right back. Would you believe that I actually thought I plugged in the thing? You know, these cases are the devil. We plug it in and never plug it in something properly, and we record it and I'm go over my next door neighbor just to test the microphone. It didn't work, but we're gonna test it again for the second time. Yeah. So this is us using my phone, right? This is us using a phone, and I'm gonna go in my room and we're gonna test the quality of this mic. Yeah, we're gonna see if I can go around there and if you can hear me. And remember, we're going behind walls, so it's supposed to break up. No, I don't think it's going to break up that easily because it's supposed to go as far as 300 feet, and I am way less than 300 feet. But we're just checking the fact that we're behind a wall to see how well and how clearly we're getting this microphone to work. All right, so now I'm walking back and I'm going back into the kitchen, around the back of the house. Yes, see if you're hearing me still. I know you're not seeing anything, but that's the aim. So I am going to see if I can go next door again. We'll try again. Go next door, see if you can hear me. You know? So I'm gonna go again. People they're supposed to say I'm weird because they want a time I come over here and nobody answering, but yes, I'm still coming over here. But we're just testing the mic. They don't have to know that. I'm just testing the mic. Just testing the mic. Shanae? Shanae? We're at the back of the house, seeing if it's working or if the back of their house. So I guess they're not here. Shanae? Let's see if the microphone did well. You guys can see me walking back. So remember, we just tested the distance of the mic. I went around the house and I was talking. So I don't know if you guys heard, but yeah. And now I am back in. Yeah, I think that was good and even better. Alright, so now I'm using this one. This one is closer to my mouth, so you're supposed to hear it more clearly. And less background noises. Now I don't think I'm going to use this one as much though, because yeah, nobody don't want to see this big old thing around my feet. Maybe when I'm doing the whole J1 thing I can use this. But yeah, and as I said, I love this because it have the little screw thing. That's the plus, just in case someone accidentally pull it from you or something, it will still hold firm. It's so small, so tiny, and you can turn up, adjust the volume, or turn it down if you want. So I like it, I really do like it. So the only downfall about this though, this one wasn't screwing on properly. It's screw on now, but it wasn't screwing on properly. And I guess when I am editing, I will see if I have any clicking sound or anything like that. This is the UHF microphone, and this is my review on it. I strongly recommend this only because it was cheap. The original value is not $40 because I actually got a discount. Amazon is discounting them, so you can grab it now. The link is in my description box down below. Yeah, I like it. Okay guys, so while I was editing this video, I realized that we had some of the technical difficulties, and I'm going to explain to you why. Now, this thing stated 300 feet and it clearly said without interference. Now, when I was going to the back of the house, you would hear the rumbling and all of that because it was interfering. No, I didn't really go 300 feet, but I went as far, and I think it worked good. It was so clear, it was so crisp. The only thing that really interrupted was the house, and we can understand that because this is not board house, it's wall concreted house, and there's a lot of things blocking the transmitter to get to the receiver. So yeah, that was expected, but differently from that, it was very good. So I'm going to do just a comparison, just a short comparison. That was me talking without the microphone. Now I'm going to just connect the microphone, and I'm going to show you the difference. Now this is me talking through the microphone. Guys, can you just tell the difference? Like, it is so clear and it is so crisp, and I am so happy that I bought this. And I recommend it. So if you're going to buy it, just hit on the link in the description and purchase it. Make your channel better. It is cheap. I know that there's many other better mic, but this one is affordable and it gets a lot of reviews on Amazon, and it's very good. So this is my few cents, and I hope you like this video. That's my review, and I recommend it. Not getting paid for this, is not sponsored in no way. It's just my review, and yeah, bye.